Suspense is over now. Vice President Kamala Harris has selected Minnesota Governor Tim Walz as her running mate. Both are expected to make the first public appearance at a rally in Philadelphia. My colleague Disha joins us on the broadcast, getting us more on that. That is what we are learning now, Disha. Vice President Kamala Harris choosing Minnesota Governor Tim Walz as a running mate, and the first public appearance is also expected at a rally in Philadelphia. What more are we learning on this?
So yes, as you mentioned, they will have their first joint appearance at Philadelphia tomorrow in India, but later tonight in the US. But in terms of looking at who Tim Walz is, actually, he's not a face that many in the US public actually recognize or know of until a couple of weeks ago, when one of his interviews where he called Republicans weird went viral, and he got thrusted into the spotlight. And his comment actually has been, criticized and has triggered a lot of Republican candidates. But in terms of his political career, he has been seen and praised as a working class politician. And immediately after Kamala Harris, announced her pick as Tim Walz, the Obamas, Joe Biden immediately endorsed and congratulated Tim Walz, calling him a politician for the people who believes that the government must serve the people. And, in terms of his political career, he's the two-term governor of Minnesota, which is a crucial state for the Democrats. And he will help the Kamala Harris campaign secure the rural vote, which is crucial for the Democrats, given that in the last couple of elections, Donald Trump has, been dominant in these regions. So her pick now is crucial for the Democrat campaign as it moves ahead in securing these crucial votes. And in terms of his legislation and what kind of laws he's been passing, he's passed quite a few progressive laws in Minnesota, whether it comes to enshrining abortion in the state legislation, as well as protecting certain healthcare, gender-affirming healthcare. So quite an interesting pick. Some are even calling this a surprising pick by Harris. But all eyes are now
by
on this.
Kamala Harris there. Yes, all right. Thank you so much, Disha, for getting us all those details there. We'll keep reflecting that information and try and get more on that.